Hey guys, everything like in at 2 here, and this is going to be Fire Alarms 16. I'm here with.
ItzParty.
So let's get started. Okay, so soon on the panel we will have 2-wire compatibility for smoke detectors. So panel is just the same panel, but that will change soon. But yeah, got the Siemens MSI 10B or the Service Electronics MSI 10B. We got this we got the ESL 445 CT smoke detector with heat. I will not be doing the heat detector on this today. So we're doing a magnet test. Not on the wall, but here we have a signal horn strobe. This is a Siemens U-MMT-S30-C-W, which is set to code 3 horn. Got the same usual heat detector, the 5601P from System Sensor, and the Wheelock STR. We got the BNG1TS, annunciator, and the Siemens U-MMT. The Siemens U-MCS-W. And new on the system, we have a System Sensor 2312/24B smoke detector. Very unusual and very rare too. So, what do you want me to activate first? Alright, here we go. Oh, it's loud. Can't see that very well. Acknowledge. Which that keeps the alarms on. They silence the piezo's panel. I'll silence it. That is very loud. Oh. That is very loud. Probably gonna edit that out. Code 3 horn. It's by itself. Not reset here. There we go. Wait, maybe. Come on. There we go. Now it's resetting. Okay. Okay. We got alarms 1, zone 1, FACP pull and smoke detector, so we'll reset. Okay. I might just edit that out. Anyway. Okay. So now we're going to do the ESL, and also you just notice there's a click in here. That's the AC supervision helper, which that basically or assistant basically it assists when there's no AC power. It'll basically that relay will click and go back to trouble the no AC fault. So after a reset, we'll do that. You'll see that in the next test. So let's test the ESL. There goes. Silence that. As you can see now the detector is activated. So we'll reset. Okay. Now we're gonna go and do the BNG1TS. So do that. So Here we go. Silence that by the nutsider. Release the pulsation. Okay. Release that by the nutsider. Oh, by the way, I'm not doing the 56 watt P heat detectors because I don't have the hairdryer with me. Or the hairdryer. But anyway, now we're gonna do the 2824 TH. I'm sorry, not 20. The 2312/24B. Can't talk today. So anyway, let's go, and we're gonna go ahead and activate it using this little thing. If I can reach up there. There it goes. Silence that. Now we'll reset from the nutsider. So yeah. So there it is, guys. So yeah. So how you guys liked it?
I think it was great.
Yeah. Alright, so what?
I said very entertaining.
Yeah. Just the panel decided to do nothing but whatever, I guess. But anyway, there it is. System test 16. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it.